Working for Kuraray has definitely been a better experience in many of the places that I've worked. The culture here is very laid back. The team that I work with, they're good people. My supervisor, he's very good. He's very understanding. He's willing to help out if you have a situation, whether it be personal or at work. He's always there listening. You actually feel like you're heard. And that makes working here very much relaxing. You don't go home stressed out. You don't go home feeling defeated because, you've worked at other jobs and it's been like a hostile work environment or a toxic work environment. And here it's just nice, it's laid back, it's not, there's not really no stress. So that makes it a lot easier. The best part about working here is the culture. The people that I work with is a very diverse, we're a very diverse crew. We all respect each other. And it's more like a family versus just a normal work environment. We get together, we can laugh and, joke and talk and do what we need to do, but we still get our work done. So it's really the culture and the environment here that sets Kuraray apart for me. The advice that I would give somebody that's seeking a position here would be, if you don't get on it first, keep trying. There may be times where you have to put an application in more than once. I applied through Indeed, and it just so happened I looked up and I was able to get on pretty quick. But I know there's been other times where people say, well, I've tried to put an application in there, but I can never get on. Well, don't give up. Keep trying. It might not be you today, but it could always be you tomorrow. I think working at Kuraray has been a positive change in my life because where I came from before, the stress was tremendous. So to be able to go home and just not have to worry about the stress of the day, not having to worry about stressing for tomorrow, that really makes this job so much better than many of the previous jobs that I had before. You don't get too many surprises here. You know what you're going to deal with. When you come in, what you got to do. You do your job, you get to go home. Sweet and simple. It's nice.